Kim, and today we're going to talk about the seasonal changes in trees. Welcome to McHenry County Conservation District's Wonders of the Wild, Backyard Edition. So all summer long, the tree is busy making its own food. This is a process called photosynthesis that involves a chemical reaction between sunlight, carbon dioxide, water, and chlorophyll, the green color in the tree's leaves. What it makes is a sugar and a leftover oxygen molecule. What that means is two things. One, the sugar is the tree's food, and two, the extra oxygen molecule is let off, which means trees are providing oxygen to us and other animals, and we breathe out carbon dioxide, which is what the tree needs for photosynthesis. So we're helping each other out. As it becomes fall, the trees start to prepare for winter. Because photosynthesis uses so much water, it means that the trees can't continue to make their food in the wintertime. The water would freeze. So what they do is they seal off the ends of the leaves and they turn colors. Chlorophyll fades away in some of them. In others, there's a chemical reaction that changes the color of the leaf, and the leaf eventually turns brown and falls off. Then the tree goes into dormancy, which means all winter long it is not making its own food. It is in a dormant state. In springtime, when it's about ready for the leaves to essentially wake up again, this is one of my favorite times when we begin to see the buds swell. This is a shagbark hickory tree. If you notice, there's a hard shell that was covering the bud all winter long and protecting it from the cold and the freezing. But now that hard shell has opened and the bud is beginning to swell. This means that spring is well on its way and there's no going back now. Notice that different trees have different buds. This is a bur oak tree, and you can see that the buds are smaller, and the terminal buds there have multiples at the end of the twig, as opposed to the single large bud on the shagbark hickory. Soon the leaves will unfurl and we'll start the whole process over again. Keep in mind that I am talking about deciduous trees for these seasonal changes. Deciduous trees are those that lose their leaves in the fall. There are evergreens, bushes and trees, and these plants can continue to make food throughout the winter because of special adaptations that they have. One of those would be leaves closer to needles rather than broad and large. That helps to preserve the tree and protect it from freezing. The other thing, if you've ever noticed sap from a pine tree, you'll notice that it's called pine pitch because it's thick and sticky. This is another way to help protect it from freezing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to respect the plants and animals in your local conservation areas, and watch for us next time on McHenry County Conservation District Wonders of the Wild. If you have any requests or ideas for topics, please feel free to list those in the comments and we will consider those topics.